Hi, this is Dr. McKay. How are you?
Hi, Dr. Mickey. Thank you for taking the time to join me on the call. Mr. Fernandez has been coughing for a couple of weeks, and we're going to use this system to examine him and help him out. These are the details and demographic information that you would enter on the Gal3n remote healthcare site for the patient. It's highly modifiable depending on what EHR or electronic health record you have. From your email, the way to actually get to an encounter is extremely easy. You go to gal3napp.com, and once you enter your user and password name, it'll bring you to the main screen. You click on the encounter that you want, in this case is this one, and attend the appointment.
Ms. Wilson, let's go ahead and auscultate Mr. Fernandez. Turn the stethoscope on and place it on number 9. All right? I'm going to be wearing my headphones so I can listen to the findings. Mr. Fernandez, go ahead and take a deep breath. Once more. Excellent. Ms. Wilson, go ahead and place it on number 10. Right over. And a deep breath, Mr. Fernandez. Fantastic. Go ahead and place the stethoscope on number 11, mid-left. And a deep breath, Mr. Fernandez. You're doing great. Once more. Excellent. Go ahead and place it on number 12, mid-right. Fantastic. And last but not least, place it on number 13, left lower. And a deep breath, Mr. Fernandez. Doing good. Okay. All right. Turn the stethoscope off. Mr. Fernandez, I don't hear anything that worries me. I think that at this point, based on your physical exam and what I just heard, it's appropriate for you to continue on the same treatment that we suggested. And we're going to check in with each other again in 2 weeks if Dr. Mickey agrees. Dr. Amiki, thank you for your help with Mr. Fernandez. Based on the findings on the physical exam, I think the therapy is working, so I recommend, if you agree, to continue the therapy and check in with him again in 3 weeks.
Yes, I feel comfortable with the analysis and would recommend to continue the therapy that we have discussed.
Excellent. Thank you for helping.
Thank you, Dr. Martinez. Thank you, Mr. Fernandez.